Oil prices under pressure as traders look ahead to the upcoming OPEC Plus meeting on Sunday. Speculation that the world's largest oil producers are going to extend cuts and potentially deepen them sent prices higher in the last couple of sessions, although we are seeing a bit of a pullback here today. Yahoo Finance's Ines Ferré is here with more. Ines.
Yeah, Shauna, and that meeting with OPEC is going to be significant because there's one analyst that was talking about what traders feel right now, and most traders are expecting for OPEC to continue with its production cuts in 2024, as they have said before. However, about 50-50 are thinking that OPEC Plus could actually deepen those cuts, and so that would create for some volatility when it comes to the oil markets. But we have seen over the last couple of sessions volatility. Right now, we are looking at Brent crude that's down 0.8%. WTI is lower. But let me show you a 6-day chart so you can see when that report came out that possibly production cuts could be deepened. You saw on Friday oil upticking about 4%. Then yesterday you saw an uptick in oil as well. But there's a lot of analysts that are talking about increased supply, non-OPEC members increasing their supply of oil, and that what that will do for prices. You had JP Morgan with a note just out yesterday that was talking about oil prices for 2023, the average they're expecting WTI to be at an average of just around where it's at right now, $81 per barrel for 2023. But going into 2024, expect to see a little bit of the same, with WTI averaging around $83 a barrel, with JP Morgan saying that you're going to see an uptick in demand for oil, but you're also going to see an uptick in supply. And that is what is going to keep the markets, so to speak, with where they've been at. But year to date, if we just take a look, we have seen volatility when it comes to oil markets. Brent crude prices on average are down about 17% from their average last year, which was just above $100 a barrel. And if you just take a look where we saw the spike this year, in September, we saw the 2023 highs for WTI and for Brent crude. They're about 20% off of those highs right now, guys.
Inez, while you're over there, I see one of my favorite Bobs on the screen, our Bob. What is the pass-through to some of the gas prices right now?
Yeah, that's right. And we have seen gasoline on a steady decline since September, with AAA averages right now about $3.30 per gallon. And you are looking at a decline week over week for these gasoline prices. In fact, going into the Thanksgiving holiday, these prices are at their lowest for Thanksgiving since 2020. So certainly consumers happy there with seeing their gasoline prices lower.